for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, rear view camera, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.